Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel Randy Pix TV. Today we have here a hair trimmer, Ikon hair trimmer, model number IK-3053. Okay, this hair trimmer is not working, and as you see here, when we press the start button, it's only blinking this blue indication light, and it is a sign like you need to charge. Okay, so if we are going to charge this, and it is still not charging. Okay, so this trimmer is not working, so we're going to check it. What's the reason why this is not working? And it is showing here a blue indication that it needs to charge. Okay, so without further delay, we're going to check what's the reason why this trimmer is not working. For those who's new in our channel, please subscribe, like, and share, so that we'll be inspired to continue doing videos how to repair our home appliances and equipments. And thank you to those who keep on patronizing our channel. Our objective is to share knowledge to everybody. Okay, so moving forward, to check this unit we need a multimeter, a clinometer, to check if the charger is working or not. Okay, so using this clinometer, we're going to check the voltage output from the power supply. Okay, so this is the power supply, and it is connected here. Okay, and it says here the adapter, the step down transformer, it is output of 5 volt 1 ampere. Okay, and it mentioned also that on this side, on the left side, as you see here, left side is negative, the right side is positive. Okay, so we are expecting to have an output of 5 volt 1 ampere. So let us plug this again and turn the power on. Using our clamp meter, we'll check the DC voltage output from the charger. Okay, so we selected volt DC, and as the plug here says, this is negative, and left is negative and right is positive. So we'll insert our multimeter and check. So this is positive, okay, and this one is negative. Okay, so as you see here, we did not get an output. There is no 5 volt output from the charger. Okay, so in this case we have a problem with our charger. Now, to verify further whether if this is the only problem, we'll check this base charger. Okay, so basically I think this is just the platform or the base to connect the trimmer, rather than to connect here direct, which is possible also. It's not charging, so we have an option to connect here direct, okay, or to connect here and to insert this on the base. So we'll verify this also, if this is working or not. Again, using our clamp meter, we go to ohms, we use the buzzer to verify if this base is okay or not. So from here and here, okay, so we got the contact, and we'll check the other also. Okay, so as you see here, this is working well. So this is perfectly fine. Now, in order to solve the problem, we're going to check this charger whether we can repair or not. What we will do is we're going to open this, but usually you just simply buy a charger with this capacity. Input is 100 to 240 volt, 50-60 hertz, 0.2 amp. Output is 5 volt, 1 ampere. Okay, so just for study, or we call curiosity, we're going to open this and check if it's possible to repair or not. Okay, so using a knife, we'll try to open this. Please make sure that you always consider the safety. This is tight, and finally we open it. Now let us see what is inside here. So it has this circuit. This is glued on the body. Now we're going to remove the glue to detach it from the base, so we can pull out the electronic board. There it is. First thing we do is we check if there is a fuse. So there's no fuse. Now we're going to check the cable. Might be the problem is only from the cable. Again, using our clamp meter, selection of ohms, we'll check the continuity of the cable. So end to end, this is the end of the cable, beginning and ending. Okay, so the positive side is okay. Here it shows positive. Then we check the negative side. Okay, so the cable is fine. The only thing is there is no output from the board. So we'll check Okay, so we're going to check the power board. First, we check the connection here from the plug point, and here. So as you see here, there is no contact. Okay, so this is the only problem of this. Okay, from this plug to the end. Okay, one side is okay, and here is the other side, no contact. And I think the problem is only from the solder. You see here, okay, here from the factory, it's a defect. They did not solder it properly, you see. So this is the only problem of this trimmer or the charger. It's loose solder from the wire to the board. So let us resolder this, and then hoping that this is the only problem of this unit, so we could able to use it again. Okay, so since we found the problem, it is just the connection or a loose solder here. As you see, it's loose. So what we will do is we will going to solder it. Okay, okay, so since we found the problem, this loose connection, or from the factory, it's a factory defect actually, so it's not soldered properly. So what we'll do is we'll going to solder this using our soldering iron, and we'll check if the problem could be solved. By the way, this unit is still new. It was bought only for I think for 4 months. So rather than to throw this and buy a new one, we're going to repair it. So as easy as opening and soldering this, and our problem will be solved. I hope so. Okay, we'll solder it now. Again, be careful using this hot soldering iron, because it could injure your skin or your fingers. So this cable is for the neutral point or the neutral line. This is for live. So what we're going to do is we'll solder this properly. So again, this is a factory defect. Alright, so now it is already soldered. We will check if it is properly connected. Again, using our multimeter to verify if it is connected properly. Okay, so this is fine, the one that we soldered, and we'll check the other one, or the opposite side. Okay, so it's securely connected. Now we're going to put back on the housing. Then we'll just put this super glue, or we glue it after we test that this working properly. Okay, so we plug it in, turn it on, and then check the output using our kilometer. We'll check if there is output of 5 volt. So seeing here, there is positive and negative. The left side is negative, the right side is positive. Okay, so as you see here, we got 5 volt, 5.26 volt. Okay, so this unit is working, and then we try to connect it direct here. Yo, success. So it's charging, and connect from here, the base, and it is charging. We turn off, turn on, done. Okay, so if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. So the basic knowledge of how to repair DIY style, do it yourself style. So I hope you like it, and please continue patronizing our channel so that we could reach more or share more knowledge to our youth, and to all those who are interested in simple repair of their faulty home appliances. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Please like and subscribe. Randy Pix TV. Until next time, peace out. Yeah, to verify whether if it is working after charging, after we repair the charger, we'll test the unit. Okay, so this is the continuation of that video. So it is being charged for a few minutes, and we'll try now. Perfect. So it is working now. Again, thank you for subscribing and watching our YouTube channel, Randy Pix TV. God bless again, everyone. Bye for now.